Is this the best way to protect you, your family, your car, even your pocketbook? Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike. This is the 70 May 4K T800 dash cam. It's the world's first 4K 3-channel dash cam, and today we're going to be putting it to the test. Yeah, so like I said, this is the world's first 4K camera to include 4K for the front and rear camera, and there's a 1080p inside the cabin camera as well. As you can see, this does have next generation Starvis 2 technology sensors on both the front and the rear camera. This provides stunning detail in any lighting situation. It's specifically designed for image sensors on your security cameras and your dash cams like this right here. This enhances low light performance and contrast. It gives you higher resolution and it utilizes lower power consumption. So it's perfect for dash cameras just like this. As far as what comes in the box, this is your main unit right here. This is where it's going to attach to the windshield. This is your screen. This is the camera that actually monitors what's going on inside the cabin of the car. This is your rear camera, and this adjusts as well. I forgot to show you right here. This will go up and down too. So depending on the slope of your windshield, you're going to get the perfect line of sight right there for you. In this part of the packaging, we do have the attachment for the windshield. This is actually what you're going to plug into your cigarette lighter or your power point these days. You have a super long cable to go back to the rear camera. You have an installment tool right here. And this, I think, is USB Type-C, so you can download this stuff to your phone. You can also do Wi-Fi through Wi-Fi, and it is super, super fast. I'll show you how fast it is in just a moment. What's in this little thing right here? Let's quickly take a look at this. You also have, okay, here's your, ooh, this is a big one, 512 gig. You have your installation, and then you have your little magnetic clingy strips right here to attach to the windshield so you can move the camera if you have to, and they give you an extra piece of double-sided tape right here. Okay, let's get this installed and then I'll show you how nice the video actually is. As far as installation goes, it is super easy. Choose the best point for your little piece of plastic right here. It kind of sticks to your windshield. It's easy to remove. Attach this piece, slide it into place, it clicks into place. Remove the double-sided tape right here, and then you're going to just put it right in the square. They kind of tell you where it goes right there, just like that. And then, like I said, you can adjust this one up and down, and you can adjust the front camera up and down as well. But this, I think, it's a good looking unit. It really is. And they have access to the wires right here. The wires coming in. Your micro SD card goes in right there, and you're good to go. So let me put the rear camera in. We'll kind of route the wires through here, and we are good to go and have some fun with this thing and see just what the recording is like. All right, here we go. This is the rear camera from 70 Mi installed, and I love how you can aim it. You just twist it like this. You got to make sure that it's the right way. So this is up so you can read it, and this is how you kind of adjust everything right there. I love it, I love it, I love it. Let me show you what the front camera is like. Hello, 70 Mi. Hello, gorgeous. She sings a little song, and there you go. It's loading all the information from the memory card, and there you go. There's me. There's your rear camera right there, and this is how you kind of control everything. You can go video settings, system settings, smart travel, all that kind of stuff. The parking surveillance, this is going to be in another video. I'll kind of show you how it works, but I'm going to do a whole nother video on that one because they did send me this huge battery pack, which is very, very cool. You have smart travel, all this kind of stuff you can set. If you want to go back, go to there. That's me, that's the front of the vehicle, and that is the back of the vehicle, and we are fully protected. All we need now is my co-pilot. So let's get Lola, get her in the car, take it for a spin. Okay, Lola loves riding back here. Here you go, come on. She has a little pet. She's good to go. She just got groomed too, isn't she gorgeous? Look at those eyelashes, you're so pretty. You are so pretty. Okay, let's go check out this 70 Mi 4K T800 dash cam. See what it's worth. See what it's like. See how nice this video is. And see how easy it is to use. Okay, while I'm driving around, let me tell you a little bit more about the 4K T800. It does have multi-language voice control, so you don't have to take your hands off of the wheels. You can tell it to record audio. You can tell it to record video. You can tell it to take photo. Did you hear those sounds? Yeah, well, it does all that just from you telling it to do that. There's also a built-in GPS system. You don't have to have any extra cables or anything like that. That information appears at the bottom of the video screen, so you can see the speed that you're going, your location, and everything else, all the other pertinent information that you need. There's a supercapacitor battery that is not going to overheat at any time. It's good from minus 40 degrees all the way up to 185 degrees Fahrenheit, and they do have an app which is fantastic. Download that, and it has the ability to, through the parking lot monitor, it will actually notify you if someone is messing with your car, or if your car is actually, if someone bumps into your car, it will send you a message that something is happening to your car, and you can control the cameras through the app. And it also will let you download all of the video from the camera into your phone very, very fast. I mean, just like that. It is super fast to get the video from the camera down there into your phone. Okay, as you watch the video from this amazing little dash cam, let me tell you a little bit more about it. The T800 features HDR across all three cameras. This is front, rear, and interior that ensures balanced exposure, enhanced contrast, and clear detail in both bright and shadowed areas. Whether you're driving under harsh sunlight through tunnels or in low light conditions, your footage stays sharp and well defined. The T800 has My Color Vivid Solution technology that selectively enhances license plates and road signs and compensates for windshield tint and glare. This basically means every frame is optimized for clarity, realism, and relevance. There's also Night Owl Vision for urban night driving. This minimizes glare from headlights and city lights, and it enhances overall brightness and exposure. Plus, with built-in IR lights, the T800's interior camera automatically switches to night vision in low light settings, so every corner of the cabin stays clearly visible, even the back seats, like where Lola is. There are no shadows, no surprises, which is ideal for night drives, ride-share trips, or keeping an eye on backseat passengers. There's also buffered emergency recording in the event of a sudden impact or emergency while driving. The 4K T800 automatically captures footage from all three cameras, saving at least 10 seconds before and 30 seconds after the incident. These recordings are stored in a protected emergency folder to prevent overwriting, ensuring critical evidence is safely preserved. If you do want some more information on the very amazing 70My 4K T800 dash cam, just check the description box below the video right here. We're going to have everything that you need to know. You can also get that hardwire kit, and you can get that battery pack that I do hope to review in the very near future, so you can activate things like the LumaVision and the parking lot surveillance, which I think is fantastic. You're parked in a parking lot, you're off at, maybe you're at the comedy club right there, and you're having some fun. You're going to get a notification on your phone that someone has just bumped into your car, and it's going to save the video for you, which I think is fantastic. So please, please, please check them out. A huge thanks to everybody at 70My for sending that to me, and a big thanks to Lola for coming out here with me and enjoying this video. Yeah, she's a good girl. You're a good girl, Mama. You know that? Absolutely. Okay, we'll see you again soon, folks. Have a great day. Bye-bye.